Hapo sasa ninaingia kwa CDDC.
Akiaria hindi ya uheani wa shakisha muigana wa shiringi milioni 40 kuri kundi itiganite cia urimi rungu rwa National Agricultural Rural Inclusive and Growth Project, Governor Kinyanjui ashakaite namba nini ya mbeu njithi aria marekuruhania na urimi.
Young people have taken ICT and other courses, they are all in town and there's nobody to carry on with your agriculture. So we must also nurture the next generation for agriculture.
Kurigana na Kinyanjui ihinda ni ikinyu riu riria urimi ubatie kurorwo ta njira ya kwiyandika kuna gicunjie kia 60 hari igana kia muingi wa bururi kirorete urimi iguru hari uturo wao.
Calling upon all stakeholders, and the county is one of them, to work with the farmers, the older farmers, to nurture the young farmers, for us to also talk with the young people and show them that agriculture pays and agriculture can be a fulfilling career just like any other.
Makiria ni uriti arimi kuba ikundi cia urimi niguo kuhotithia thirikari gukinyira arimi na njira huthu na namba nene.
When you're in groups, it's easier to understand each other, it's easier to share your experiences, it's easier for you to be helped also by government and for us to build capacity at that particular level.
Miario ya Kinyanjui ni nyititwo mbaru ni Minister wa urimi thiini wa kaunti ya Naikuru Dagitari Margaret Maina na uria uritie university kunyitanira na honge cia urimi hari kugacirithia mathomo ma urimi kuri arutwo.
I think with the NARI projects we expect to double this, and into the future we want these value chains to continue to grow.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.